Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily integrate HubSpot with Salesforce. First things first, we need to log in into our Zapier account or create a Zapier account. This is free and it will take you like 1 or 2 minutes. So don't worry about something expensive or a long time taking. Once we're in here, we want to focus on top left corner where is create a Zap option. Zap stands for integration, so it's pretty self-explanatory. On top left corner, you can easily write down a name of your integration. So let's let's actually use this and write down HubSpot to Salesforce. So if you need to reuse it or repurpose it in the future, you can find it way easier. So let's start with the trigger. The trigger will be HubSpot. Now we have a couple of events to be the trigger. So for example, new contact appears in HubSpot or new deal, but let's go with a new contact. Connect. Now we need to connect our HubSpot account into the Zapier. So I have this one. We hit continue. Properties to retrieve, yada yada yada. Let's go with, for example, date of birth. Okay, continue, and that's to test the trigger between HubSpot and Zapier itself, but we don't have to pay attention right now to it. So far we are getting all the green flags, and that's what we should be focusing on. So in the action, we are about to write down Salesforce. Okay, so what event we want to employ in this Salesforce integration. So if new contact in HubSpot appears, it will add file to a record or create file. Okay, create file. Next, now we have to choose a Salesforce account, but yeah, mine is expired, but don't worry, yours will be up to date. This one I just haven't used for a long time, but it's just about to log in into that. Then you will have to pick the file, pick the title, some kind of description, but it's not mandatory, and you are one step away from finishing this integration. And that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.